Hello everybody and welcome back to Max's Perspective podcast. Hope you're doing well today. So today we are going to talk about a little bit of geography. So I've been asking people a question, so my students and people I know here in Taiwan, what is bigger? And I'm talking about the size of a country. I'm talking about the size of the land, the kilometers squared. So what's bigger, China or Africa? And Africa is not a country. Africa is a continent, and in that continent are 54 countries. So Africa is a continent with 54 countries. One of those countries is South Africa, which is at the very bottom, which is where I'm from. And can you name any other African countries? Like some obvious ones are Egypt, which is up north, and Nigeria. You've probably heard of Nigeria and Egypt and South Africa. What other countries have you heard of from Africa? How many could you name? There's 54. How many of those countries could you name? Be honest. Tell me in the comments. Anyway, so what's bigger, China or Africa? And most of the people I asked this question to are saying China. So that is completely wrong, because it is definitely Africa. In fact, you could probably fit three and a half Chinas into Africa. That's how big Africa is. And there might be a reason why everyone's getting this wrong. And you can Google this. You can look, there's even YouTube videos where they explain that maps don't represent Africa correctly. Because the world is round, it's a globe. So when you take the globe and you make it into a flat map on a piece of paper, then the countries get all like squashed a bit. And the country that is most affected, the area of the map that is most affected is down the middle, which is Africa. So whenever we look at a map on a flat surface, Africa looks much smaller than it is. You can easily fit China, US, America, and India into Africa and still have more room. Like I said, three and a half Chinas will go into Africa. So yeah, Africa is very big. South Africa, my country, that's a pretty big country. You could probably fit about 20 Taiwans into it. That's a guess. So yeah, if you want to check that out, please do. Maybe it's a bit less, maybe 15 Taiwans. I'm not too sure. 15 to 20, let's say that. Cool. And one more thing I wanted to say, so what is the biggest country in the world? And we're just talking in area, which is square kilometers. And by far, the winner is Russia. Next is Canada. But of course, those two countries, a lot of their land is just snow. You can't even live there. You can't build anything there. There's nothing there. It's just empty land, very, very cold all the time. So Russia, then Canada, then USA, and then China. So those are the four biggest countries in the world. But don't forget, about three and a half, maybe 4 Chinas would fit into the continent of Africa. Don't get confused there. Africa's huge. All right, everyone, that is your geography lesson for today. I hope you found that interesting and informative. How many African countries do you know of? Tell me in the comments and let me know if you have any more information about this topic. I would love to hear.